Okay, now question number 7 from exercise 2.1. Ritu ate 3 upon 5 part of an apple. Suppose one apple is there. From one apple, Ritu eat 3 upon 5 part of an apple, and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. Okay, so we are having how many apple? One apple. From that one apple, Ritu eat 3 upon 5 part, and the remaining apple is eaten by her brother Somu. So from one apple, brother and sister share the apple. First 3 upon 5 part was eaten by Ritu, and the remaining was eaten by her brother Somu. How much part of the apple did Somu eat? So we have to find it, because it is mentioned in the question that 3 upon 5 part of an apple is eaten by Ritu. So we have to find out how much part Somu has eaten. Okay, so how much part of the apple did Somu eat? And one more thing, we have to find out who had the larger share. Who had eaten the larger part of the apple, Ritu or Somu, by how much? So we have to find out two things. First thing, they have given in the question that Ritu eat 3 upon 5 part of an apple. So we have to find out how much Somu has eaten, because they are having one apple. From that one apple, Ritu eat 3 upon 5 part of an apple. So we have to find out how much Somu has eaten. First thing. Now the second thing, we have to find out how much part of the apple did Somu eat. Okay, so how much part of the apple did Somu eat, and who had the larger share? Who eaten the larger part? Who had eaten, Somu or Ritu? I hope the question is clear. So they have given 3 upon 5 part of the apple is eaten by Ritu. So we have to find out how much Somu has eaten and who eaten larger part, Ritu or Somu. Okay. Figure also I will try to explain. Suppose this is one apple. How much apple? Apple is only one apple is there. Suppose 3 upon 5 part is eaten by Ritu. So we have to find out this part. How much part? This part is eaten by Somu. Okay, this we have to find out. And we have to find out who eat more apple. Who eat the larger part, Somu or Ritu. Okay, the question is clear. So we will write the solution. Now we have to write the statement. The part of an apple eaten by Ritu. How much part she has eaten? 3 upon 5. Okay, so we have to find out the part of an apple eaten by Somu. We have to find out how much Somu has eaten. So the apple was 1 and the part Ritu has eaten was 3 upon 5. So from one apple, if we minus 3 upon 5, we will come to know how much part is left which has been eaten by Somu. So from one apple we will minus 3 upon 5 part, because this part is eaten by Ritu. That is why I have written from one apple 1 minus the part eaten by Ritu. Now you can see we are not having any value over here. So I can put 1 over here, as all the whole numbers are having 1 in the denominator. So firstly I will take the LCM of 1 and 5, that will be what? 5. So I will take the LCM as 5 as common value. Now 1 5s are what? 5. So 5 multiplied by 1. 1 5s are 5. So 5 multiplied by 1 minus 5 divided by 5, that is 1, multiply with 3. Okay. Now 1 5s are 5 minus 3 1s are 3 upon 5. 5 minus 3 is what? 2 upon 5. Now we'll come to know that 2 upon 5 part is eaten by Somu. So Somu eaten. So how much part Somu has eaten? Somu has eaten 2 upon 5 part of an apple. of an apple. And now we will find out how much was the figure given for Ritu. The figure which was given for Ritu was 3 upon 5. Now Ritu has eaten 3 upon 5 part of an apple. So we will compare, this is the part Ritu has eaten and this is the part Somu has eaten. 2 upon 5 and 3 upon 5, we can say that 3 upon 5 is greater. So we will write 3 upon 5 is greater than 2 upon 5. Now 3 upon 5 is the part eaten by Ritu. So we can say that Ritu has eaten more part as compared to Somu. One more thing, in the question they have asked by how much. By how much? Now we come to know that Ritu has eaten more part than compared to Somu. And at the last in the question they have by how much. So we will minus 3 upon 5 minus 2 upon 5. The part eaten by Ritu and minus the part eaten by Somu. Now 5 and 5 are same, so we will take one common 5. So 3 minus 2 is what? 1 upon 5. So we will come to know that Ritu has eaten this much part more than Somu. So the answer I will write like this. Thus Ritu part is 1 upon 5 more than Somu's part. I hope the question is clear.